Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to get a heart on the iPhone status bar. Before starting, ensure your device runs on iOS 15 and later versions. In reality, this heart icon determines the user that focus is enabled on your iPhone. We can change or set for any custom focus. Let's try with an example. Let's see what to do. What you have to do is launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap Focus. On the Focus Mode Settings page, tap the plus button at the top right corner of your iPhone. Select the first option, Custom, then type the name in the name field. In this case, for example, Heart. After that, scroll down and select the heart icon. If you already used heart icon in existing focus, then you will not see here and reuse it. Here I am showing heart icon right here. Then, tap on the next button. Do not tap or modify anything from here. Now, you have created a custom focus mode with the heart icon. Turn on the custom focus mode from the control center. Swipe down finger from top right corner and tap on focus to see all custom focus. So, this is how to get a heart on the iPhone status bar. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.